So my name is Edward. I'm gonna be one of the guides for this adventure trip for the rest of the day. Now, so we have Miguel. So we're both guides. But first of all, I would like you guys to be familiar with your equipment before we get into the water. No? So this is what we call like the hard shell sit on top kayaks, and we also refer to them as self bails, no? Because they have some holes. So actually water can go in and goes out, so you don't have to worry about it's gonna go under the water, no? So these have a backrest here as well, and we also have a knee strap here. No? Usually the knee strap can be used when you go down the rapids if you want to feel like a little bit more stable. So you just put it around your knees and you can press in, so it helps to stable more.